Here, and I'm gonna show you today how you create a new GA4 channel group for AI traffic. Um, all right, let's start. You go to admin in your GA4 property. Under data display, you click on channel groups. Now here you have the overview of your channel groups right now. So we click here on the three dots and go to copy to create new. Here you can put a name, whatever, say AI traffic. And we're gonna click here on add new channel. So here we have to put now AI traffic. We create a condition in order to GA4 to know. So we're gonna say source. Here we say matches regex, and here I'm gonna have the regex that I'm gonna also share into the description, so you can just copy paste it out there. Right, so we have here the AI platforms. We say apply, and we're gonna say save channel on top right. And right now we have to reorder our channel list. So I'm gonna click here reorder, and here on the bottom you see the new AI traffic list, and you're gonna place it right above the referral one, right? So we're gonna put it here so GA4 gets it right. We're gonna say apply, very important, and now save group. And ta-da, you have the new channel group AI traffic. So all you're gonna do now is to go to your reports, and then you can check on acquisition, traffic acquisition. You can see already on the primary source medium, you can see session AI traffic. And here, once you click it, you already see all your traffic that came from AI platforms, which I think for the future is very important to have set up, because there are a lot of there's a lot of new traffic coming from AI platforms. Let's say Search GPT, for example, that just got launched. So I think it's very important for your website to get the traffic channel group correctly, and also to see how much AI traffic is going to reach your website, especially if you do, for example, a new SEO optimization towards AI traffic, and then in order to see in the next weeks, month, how much success you had on your sales strategies, how much new AI traffic came, and to see what works and what didn't. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching.